Avoid these top 7 mistakes RGV homeowners make during solar panel installation. You've been considering having solar panels installed, RGV homeowners, and you're finally ready to take action. Congratulations! But it's a big decision. As such, you should skip the major mess-ups hiring solar panel installers RGV residents make. What are the top 7 mistakes? Briefly. 1. Not checking for local rebates and incentives. 2. Not comparing solar installers. 3. Not checking the solar panel manufacturer's warranty. 4. Not checking for building permits. 5. Not checking the roof. 6. Not considering the solar panel size. 7. Not maintaining the solar panels. Mistake 1. Failing to check for rebates and incentives to help solar panel installation financing RGV homeowners have available. There are many local, state, and federal rebates and incentives available for homeowners who install solar panels. However, many homeowners make the mistake of not doing their research and finding out what is available to them. This can end up costing them hundreds or even thousands of dollars. Homeowners should start by checking with their local utility company to see if there are any rebates or incentives available in RGV. They should also check with their state and federal government websites. There may also be tax credits available. Incentives and rebates can vary greatly depending on the state and even the county in which the homeowner lives. It is important to do the research and find out what is available before making any decisions. Mistake 2. Forgetting to compare solar power system installers RGV residents have to choose from. When you're shopping for solar panels and solar panel installation companies, RGV homeowners, it's important to compare different installers to find the best fit for your needs. Unfortunately, many homeowners make the mistake of choosing the first installer they come across without doing any research. This can lead to problems down the road, so it's important to take the time to compare different solar installers before making a decision. There are a few things you should keep in mind when comparing solar installers. First, you'll want to make sure that the installer is licensed and insured. This will protect you in case something goes wrong during the installation process. Second, you'll want to read reviews of the installer to see what other homeowners have to say about their experience. Finally, you'll want to get a few quotes from different installers to compare prices. Taking the time to compare solar installers before making a decision can save you a lot of headaches down the road. By doing your research, you can be sure that you're choosing the best possible option for your needs. Mistake 3. Not checking solar panel manufacturer's warranty. Most solar panel manufacturers will offer a warranty on their products, but it is important to read the fine print and understand what is covered. And maybe more importantly, what is not covered. Some warranties only cover the panel itself, while others will also cover the inverter and other components. In some cases, the warranty may only cover defects in materials or workmanship, while in others it may also cover performance. Make sure you know what is covered and for how long before you purchase your solar panels. And if you have trouble with the language in the warranty, have the contractor you're talking to go over it with you. If they're not willing to clarify things for you, that could be a red flag that they might not be the right company for you. Mistake 4. Failing to obtain the proper building permits. If you're thinking about getting solar panels installed on your RGV home, one of the first things you need to do is check with your local building department to see if you need a permit. In many cases, you will. Failing to get a permit can result in a fine, and in some cases, you may be required to remove the panels. So, it's definitely worth taking the time to get the proper paperwork in order before you start your project. When you're working with RGV solar installers, they will often take care of the permitting for you, but talk to them and make sure they do. Mistake 5. Not checking the roof first. One of the most important things to consider is the condition of your roof. Solar panels need to be installed on a sturdy, level surface in order to work properly. If your roof is in disrepair, it's likely that solar panels will not be a good option for you. Be sure to have your roof inspected by a professional before moving forward with solar panel installation. Mistake 6. Failing to consider the solar panel size. When homeowners are considering solar panels for their home, they often don't think about the size of the solar panels. This can be a mistake, as solar panels come in a variety of sizes and the size of the panel will determine how much power it can generate. Homeowners should take the time to determine the right size solar panel for their home, in order to ensure that they are getting the most power possible. Another mistake homeowners make is not considering the angle of the solar panels. The angle at which the solar panels are installed will determine how much power they can generate. Homeowners should make sure that the solar panels are installed at the correct angle in order to maximize the power output. Finally, homeowners should make sure that the solar panels are installed in an area where they will receive direct sunlight. Solar panels need direct sunlight in order to generate power, so if they are installed in an area that is shaded, they will not be as effective. Homeowners should consult with a solar panel expert to determine the best location for their solar panels. Mistake 7. Forgetting to maintaining the solar panels. Another of the biggest mistakes homeowners make when getting solar panels installed is not maintaining them properly. Solar panels need to be cleaned regularly in order to function optimally, and if they are not, they will not produce as much energy as they could be. Homeowners should make sure to clean their solar panels at least once a month, and more if there is dirt or debris buildup. By avoiding these 7 critical errors in residential solar power system installation, RGV residents can be sure their decision to go solar will benefit them for years to come. Ready to take the next step? Call to schedule a no-commitment discussion about getting the solar panel system that's right for your home. Avoid these top 7 mistakes.